So we are taking a little weekend trip here in a few days, and I just got a brand new carry-on bag and some new packing cubes. So come and pack with me. Okay, before I pack my bag, I thought I could show you guys my packing cubes that I just got and then the bag in a little bit more detail. Okay, so these are the packing cubes from BAGSMART. Let's go ahead and open them up. Okay, so the first thing I love is it's all just right in this little baggie here, so it's nice and organized. Let's open her up and see what's inside. Okay, so it looks like we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and a case for them. Damn. Okay, that's a lot in this little bag. So we have, start with the smallest. Okay, so this is the smallest one. Okay, so mine are in the color Rose Dawn. They have 4 different colors on their website. And like I said, this is a 6-piece packing cube travel kit. Okay, so we have this small one. Personally, I feel like this is like really good for like a pair of shoes since it's like kind of long and like more thin. This also could be another one for shoes, or since this one, wait, okay, wait a second. Okay, so it has this front zipper, which is obviously the main zipper, but then it also has the compression zipper too. So you can make it a little bit larger if you do need. That is super convenient. Let me take it all the way around. Oh my God, yeah. So like, look at how big that can be. So this would be perfect for shoes. I could also see myself putting like gym clothes, like undergarments, swimwear in these just because they don't need as much space. So that's really nice. Okay, this one, I love it when they have handles on them. Same thing, it has this netting up at top so that you can actually see what is in the bag. And then it just has the regular zipper that does go all the way around so that you can then just pop her open like that. And then I'll show you, so without the compression zipper unzipped, it looks like it's about 2 inches of space, if you can see here. But then once I unzip that, and again, that one goes all the way around, it opens up to almost double the size. Okay, so that's really nice. Here, I would definitely, for this one, do either like some dresses, maybe some workout outfits. And then we have the largest one. This has that nice buckle on it too. Same thing, regular zipper, netting, compression zipper. And then we have a drawstring bag. This is actually so nice. This little drawstring bag. And then of course we have this one. This is what all the bags came in, but obviously once it's all unzipped, you can just use it as another packing cube. Perfect. We will definitely be putting these to use. All right, now for the bag herself. This is the BAGSMART carry-on luggage. I got mine in French pink. It is the most beautiful color of pink. I absolutely love it. I don't know if you can tell, but it does match my nails. Okay, right off the bat, I will say I love a hard case. I am just obsessed with this color. It has some ridging here on the bottom, their logo on top. I just unzipped her. Wow, okay, super nice and big. So we have 2 compartments here on each side. This side here on my left is a zipper compartment. Okay, nice. So it's got this really good fabric in here lining that side. On the zipper compartment itself, it does have 2 separate zippers. One is water resistant or like leak proof. So this would really be good for any liquids. And then over here, we do have this panel. Nice. And then we have our buckles. Again, lined. This is perfect. And then we have a netted zipper on this side. I cannot wait to pack her up. Okay, I have my puffer jacket, my sweatshirt, another sweatshirt, and a pair of leggings here. A pair of pajamas, a sweatshirt, a scarf, and a pair of gloves. A workout outfit, my sweater dress, and a pair of sweatpants. Tennis shoes and heels. That's crazy. I am so shocked at how quickly all of that just fit in those packing cubes and then even compressed. That's insane. Okay, let's put it all in the suitcase.